Okay, so here's a little REEM Classic high efficiency, I think. Here's the logo. It's not been running. It's from October of 1998. 39,000 BTU. What's that? I have no idea what tonnage that is. But yeah, there's more units right over here, so I'll be right back. Alright, so here are some more units at the same place. Here's this other REEM. Yep, another REEM Classic. Here's the compressor. Looks like a V-ship of some kind. It's from July of 1998. And this one's a 2-ton. No, 3.5, I think. Yeah. Here's the Dakin unit. It's got a Copeland, I believe. It's an air conditioner, but it has a suction accumulator. Yeah, it's a Copeland. It's not been running. This is at a bowling alley. 5-ton, I think, from 2014. And here's this one. This one's also not been running. This place is probably closed. What's the data for that? Looks like the same thing. Oh, this one's a heat pump. That is a massive bushing valve. Whew. Look at the size of that. So maybe this one's also a heat pump? Yeah, it is a heat pump. There's a bushing valve. Alright, so yeah, these are heat pumps actually. This is another Dakin. Here's one more Dakin. This one looks a little newer. It's also a heat pump. There's the data for that. It's also not been running. This is other bigger REEM Classic. Some March of 1999, 5-ton. So this one's the nearest. Alright. So yeah, there are 3 REEM Classic units and 3 Dakin units at a bowling alley. So yeah, thank y'all for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one.